Greetings, sir, ma'am. I am John Paulo Salibalina, 20 years old. I live in Alangilan, Batangas City, Philippines. I am presently taking up Bachelor in Industrial Technology, major in Computer Technology at Batangas State University Main Campus 2. I am on my second year in the course. My father, Mr. Emmanuel Arbalina, 44 years old, is a government employee at Batangas City Water District for almost 28 years now. My mother, Mrs. Anshela Balina, 38 years old, is a housewife but also doing home-based job as a sewer. My eldest brother, John Limuel Balina, was 21 years old. My sister, Sayla Emanet Balina, 11 years old, graduating batch at Alangilan Central Elementary School. While our youngest brother, Emerjan Balina, 10 years old, was on his 5th grade also at Alangilan Central Elementary School. As for of my skills, I am a computer literate. I have knowledge in terms of troubleshooting. I studied ASEM on basic electronics and I learn ideas how those machine functions. And during vacation time, I work as internet cafe timekeeper here in our place. Sir, ma'am, I am thankful for this opportunity for having OJT on your country. Hoping to see you soon and have a pleasant time working with you. Thank you so much.